I'm trying to let y'all see that flake, man. Ooh. Ooh, I made them flakes stand up, man. Yeah, man, my partner taught me that one right there, how to make them flakes stand up like that. But we're gonna hit it another round. I'm gonna put some more paint on it, tighten up all my little flaws, and then clear coat it. So I'm gonna dry sand it, wait on the paint to come, but we got the base down. It's this color now. And I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna turn that low air pressure. I'm gonna get off in them jams. I'm gonna kill all that red up in there. Even though it won't ever be seen, I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna kill that red right there that y'all can see that's breaking through. Be killing that. We're gonna get that right. We're gonna get behind there. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm showing y'all all the flaws, man. It look good till you start looking for the flaws, and that's my job, man, to make sure that we hit all the flaws, man. It's straight line customs, no shortcuts. No shortcuts, man. You know what I mean? And don't worry about the bike over there in the corner, man. We're gonna get to it when we get to it. We're gonna get to it, man. Yeah, man, but I want y'all to see when that sun hit it. I can't wait to take this thing out in the sun after I put that clear on there so I can really see them flakes dancing. Yes, indeed. That's gonna make me happy right there. Ooh. Come on now, show them that. Let me see y'all dance, man. Them flakes hitting jumping jacks on there, man. All right, so it's dry. It's probably been sprayed. What was that? Wednesday or Thursday of last week. I hate that the overspray got into the car. You know what I mean? Behind the dash, whatever. It wasn't. I couldn't get in the inside to remask that stuff, so I just went ahead and sprayed it. That's gonna be something that's probably gonna come back and haunt me later, but the damage is gonna already be done. So I think the AC getting a little bit of paint in there gonna be bad, but this right here I should probably mask it a little bit better. I'm gonna reevaluate that because I'm gonna put that clear on there. But just trying to see. Then this thing I need to put me a little light down here when I'm spraying. Just have a little light because it's up in them jams. I gotta go lower air pressure just to get a little bit more pushed up in there. We trying to push paint everywhere. A little bit more across this top. Let me see. Let me dust off this camera, man. Hold on. There you go. Y'all can see the shade difference there. Yep. You see it over there? All right. I'm pretty sure y'all can see that. The whole rail could be hit a little bit more. I'm my biggest critic, man. Like when people come to my shop when they used to work for me, I used to give them a hard time about paint because if I'm paying them and they're supposed to be the expert, they should be better than me. So I'm always envisioning how am I gonna do this, and that's why I was thinking like you come this way because I have to, put it at an angle to get that backside right there, and that's why I'm picturing. So some of this stuff is gonna get red Scotch Brite, some of it gonna be gray Scotch Brite. I gotta remove those pieces right there. I gotta take a picture. Remove these because it's gonna be red behind there. I believe that's how that's supposed to be. This one probably supposed to be like this. As y'all can see, this one's kind of bent up a little bit. But we'll go ahead and scuff it, hang them. Because I'm gonna have to paint them. Top side's good. Back side's good. But the hood, it still has some red edges. Some places like that. This whole front piece And that's where I cut in first, those edges. So definitely can tell some of the paint's hitting it, but not hitting it good enough. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna red Scotch Brite those, red Scotch Brite everything that has the base coat on it already. It would have been nice if I had some old paint similar to this color, but I don't have nothing even in this shade. Um, the owner though, man, he told me that he felt like the color was a little bit darker, but he's gonna wait to see how the clear is. Um, I would hate for him to feel like we need to go in a different direction with the color, but hey, if that's what he wants, that's what he's gonna get. Straight line customs. Even though I want this car to be gone, reassembled, back together. I want him to fall in love with the color, but it's hard to tell what it's going to truly look like until we put the clear on there. So I'm finna go ahead. I'm finna start mixing up everything. But I just want y'all show y'all that owner, man, he's dead serious about getting his car and getting it right. So anything that I need, he just say let him know. He doesn't mind getting it. He's not like most people. They would have been highly disappointed if we was in the situation that I am in currently. But he was just like, man, let's just make sure that we get everything the right way moving forward. And see, these people, when they mixed up the paint this time, I don't know if they know quite what they were doing. I wasn't reassured with them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and empty out this box. We got the gray Scotch Brite's there. Just the old can of paint. And it's crazy because like even if you look at the cans, man, it's like they got a different brand on the can. Oh, bring it up here so I can really take a good look at it. I'm glad we kept the can because this right here, it don't say what I needed to say. We're gonna check it out though. Y'all just stay tuned. Just showing how that first coat gonna go down. I gotta mix some more, so I'm gonna get back on this hood. Just checking it out. You know what I mean? Like I said, this is that first coat, so it's still a little dry. As y'all can see, I ain't made no passes over there. Making sure I just focus on these parts first, and then I'm gonna come back and hit all this on the header panel last. That's gonna be my very last panel I paint because I don't want to touch it, so I'll rub up against it. The color on there for sure. That flaw was already in there. He told me don't worry about that flaw on that metal work. He told me to spray it. I said, okay. Yeah, that's all right.